Hi guys, this is Shemaine here, and go ahead and check out my last video titled Fashion Shows Be Like. The first outfit that I wore in the fashion show was an outfit made completely of brown paper bags. So yesterday my groceries came in the morning and they were grocery bags, and by the afternoon they were a two-piece dress. So this is how I did it. I am a fashion designer by trade, so I took the same principles that I would use to make something out of fabric, and I made it out of paper, except I used tape and some string and things like that to put everything together. So I decided I'm gonna make a two-piece set, and this is a bustier, and I'm gonna make a bustier and a skirt to match. I just started taping everything and just trying to come up with a design kind of off the fly, and I did lace it up in the back. So I punched holes and then I used jute rope to lace it up in the back. And then I'm going to make the skirt. So the skirt, I wanted it to be a kind of roughly pleated skirt that's kind of full. So we'll see how this turns out. So I'm going to cut the shapes for the skirt and circular patterns, and I'm just going to pleat them. I'm going to hand pleat them, and then I'm going to put it together, and let's see how it turns out. And this is a final look. So I have a bustier and a skirt. And of course, a girl needs her accessories. So I made a hat, matching earrings, and a handbag. Go ahead and check out my last video so you can see how this dress moves and flows. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.